Hello and welcome to Forensic Science. Glad you're here. Glad you chose us as an elective. Maybe your counselor said you had to take it as an elective, but still glad you're here. Yeah, it's a fun class. There's a lot of reading in this class, but it's the labs are pretty cool. So I hope you'll enjoy this. They're all online kind of digital labs. But first things first, just make sure when you come in, first time you read through the syllabus so you know how to contact me. All my contact information is here. We do have monthly virtual class meetings, which is every third Tuesday of the month at 1 p.m. So our first one will be on, let's see here, September 20th, September 20th. So our first class meeting. We're basically just going to go over maybe some things that you're learning about, talk about them a little bit more in depth, and just a kind of chance for us to check in and make sure everyone's on the same page. That's that. What else did I want to tell you about? My little GIF here is from CSI. I used to love that show. It's I think it's still on in Syndicate somewhere, but one of the first lessons is about the CSI effect. So a lot of you might be taking this class because you like that show or you like other shows like NCIS or even the X-Files. I have totally gotten into the X-Files this summer because it's on Netflix now. And there's actually a lot of forensic science in that show too, so it's kind of cool. Let's see. The other thing is the modules are all laid out the same. So once you read through the syllabus, just click over here into modules, and that's how you'll get started with the class. Make sure you read through the welcome folder items. And there's 4 units. They're basically laid out all the same. All the lessons come in the front. So you'll have usually 5 or 6 lessons that you'll go through, and then you'll answer the text questions from the lessons. So this, give yourself a week or two just to kind of go through these lessons, maybe do one a day, every couple of days. They're not horribly long, but you probably want to take a few notes, and then you can answer the text questions. There is a lab that follows, and I kind of allowed yourself a week for the lab because sometimes some of them are shorter, but sometimes there's more than one part, and it might take you a little while to get through. I know one of them was pretty lengthy. So just want to make sure you have enough time for those. And then there's a quiz at the end, and usually a couple of discussion questions that follow as well. Lastly, hopefully towards the end, either right before or right after Christmas break, probably right after Christmas break, I'll get my friend Officer Hoagie to come from the Gresham Police Department. She's a forensic specialist there, and she's always got great stories to share about her life on the beat, as they say. She actually does this job for a living, and she's super excited about it. And she's awesome. So we'll do a virtual live lesson with her, one of those. It'll probably be that meeting in January. So that's it. Hope you enjoy the class. There is a part 2 to this class. So if you enjoy this and want to do the second part next semester, talk to your counselor. Other than that, if you have any questions on the class or the content, please let me know. All right. I'll see you on campus or online soon. Have a great first week of school.